Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey, I am 22 years old, and this is what I eat during the holidays. Now to preface, this video was supposed to be a what I eat in a week, but in the midst of that week I got COVID unfortunately and had to quarantine and couldn't cook. But I'm back, I'm better, and I'm super grateful for my health because I had basically no side effects. But nonetheless, let's hop into this video. So I just got home from Trader Joe's and this is my groceries for the week. I'm just gonna do a little run through of everything I got. It's Saturday, so I'm not gonna start filming what I eat in a week until Monday, but I have apples, kale, butternut squash for salads, brown rice, granola, this vegan dill dressing. My roommate back in New York loves these dressings, so shout out Andrea, I'm gonna try this. I have ground turkey and ground chicken. I'm probably gonna make chili with the ground chicken. I have roast corn, onions for chili, chili for the chili, smoothie stuff, and then gluten-free bread, avocados. Yeah, and right now it's Saturday. I'm probably gonna make chili tonight. I'm gonna film a little bit of it in case I have any leftovers that I'm gonna eat throughout the week. You guys can see how I made it, but yeah. So I ended up making chili and I'm gonna link the recipe below. I just used a Trader Joe's chili and then I just cut up my onion. I used the red onion and this onion was literally so strong. You'll see why. Guys, I'm chopping onions and they burn.
It burns the ice?
Yeah. So once I prepped all my ingredients, I threw them all together. The ground chicken, onion, beans, corn, salsa. That's what gives it that little kick of like spice. And then I threw in the chicken broth. Look at her go. Mixed her up, and then I added some chili powder. You gotta be careful with that because I definitely put too much in and it was spicy and I had to balance it out with agave. I then used the Trader Joe's gluten-free cornbread packet. I added some corn in there just for some extra oomph, and yeah, I baked it in the air fryer in these little baking tins, and it was such a hearty and delicious dinner. I absolutely love chili. Another breakfast I love is just a carb with some salmon lox and egg on the side. Chef's kiss. I also had a lot of my mom's cooking throughout the holidays, obviously, because you're with family and her food is just the best. So I had some of this lovely light chicken broth soup with some spare ribs and rice, and it was so nostalgic and yummy. Overnight oats were also my go-to. Blueberries, oats, cinnamon, throw that in the fridge, microwave in the morning, and amazing. This little concoction is also amazing. I had some leftover butternut squash and turkey. Just threw it on a cast iron skillet with some spinach and cracked 2 eggs, and so good. When me and my family went out to eat pre-COVID, we would always go and get noodles, and I got this beef noodle soup and it was immaculate. So I know this isn't authentic, but I was craving some tacos and I wanted to try my hand at making it. So I just picked up some ground beef, sauteed it with some taco seasoning. I cut up an avocado, had the salsa on the side. I even took the corn tortillas and put a slather of refried beans on it, and look at her. This was actually so delicious. Although we couldn't gather for Christmas this year, I just had to make a charcuterie board. So this one, I had white cheddar and blueberry goat cheese. New Year's also looked a little different this year. We ordered sushi for pickup. We didn't have a large gathering group. I was out of quarantine at this point, so was my dad, but my mom still had COVID, so we just picked up some sushi from a local restaurant, and it was really good, and we got to spend it together. I then always have my go-to breakfast, which is a tortilla with an egg scramble and coffee on the side, and it's always so filling and delicious. And what are the holidays without a little baking? So I picked up this lemon loaf pound cake mix and added some fresh lemon juice to the batter. I then added the batter to 2 little tins that will be going into the air fryer, and I've been loving the air fryer for baking. The cleanup is so easy and there's like no mess associated with baking this way. I promise you, trust me, try it. I made 2 because one is going to be for my family and one is going to my best friend, but they sprouted beautifully. I then added the glaze to the loaves, and oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that like immaculate? Anyway, I let that harden and then I cut into her. But I just wanted to say that I am so grateful for my health, my family's health, and my friends, and I cannot wait for what 2022 has in store for me. I can't wait to upload more food videos for you all, and I hope you guys stick around for that. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.